Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how to convert this JSON data file into an Excel file. First, drag the JSON file onto Easy Data Transform. Easy Data Transform will flatten the JSON tree data structure into a table. Hierarchy in the JSON file is shown by naming conventions of columns in the flattened table. We can choose whether to spread JSON arrays across rows or columns. Let's stick with columns for now. In the left pane we have a wide range of transforms we can use for reshaping, reformatting, merging and splitting the data. Let's just do some simple tidying up. First we'll rename a couple of columns. Then we'll remove the last two columns. Now we can output our data to Excel. Let's have a look at the data file. If we want to explicitly set the column types, we can do so here. Let's leave them as they are for now. But let's change the worksheet name and overwrite the old file. Here we can see the sheet name has changed. Let's save this transform in case we want to use it again. If we have a whole folder full of JSON files, we can convert them using batch processing. And then press the process button. See our batch processing video for more details. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.